Power, PowerPoint is a slideshow presentation program which is being used by everyone nowadays, whether it's kids or elders. PowerPoint is very useful and is currently one of the most commonly used slide-based presentation available. This tutorial will help you become the Microsoft PowerPoint expert, and this will, when you learn all of this, you can teach other people too. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you how to create a presentation using it from scratch. We go to File and then New, and then you just click the blank presentation. So this is how we create a blank presentation from scratch. If you want to open a recent, or if you want to open a recent PowerPoint, you go File, Recent, and pick a browser, recover unsaved presentation, and then you can just Documents, and you can just click whichever you want, and that way you will be able to open a created one presentation. If you want to create a new one with using the one which is already exist in the PowerPoint, then you have to click New and just choose from the gallery. So like, for example, like we can choose gallery, we can choose parcel, we can use wood type, we can use iron, we can use quotable. So I'm choosing quotable, and this way you have one which is already created. We don't have to do anything with this, like we don't have to create a design, or we don't have to like color it. It's already designed for you. And now I will show you how to save a presentation. You just click Save, and you can go to this PC, and you can just save it and enter file name, write the file name, and just save it. And that's the way how you save a presentation. Let me show you how to add a slide in a presentation. So you just do you right click, you hit new slide, and then and there is a new slide for you. You can just write whatever you want to write, and you can even add a picture, add a table, add a chart, add anything you like. If you want to delete a PowerPoint presentation, you just click right click and delete slide. Now if you want to add a theme in this PowerPoint, you just click Insert, you click the design, and then you just do a theme you like variants, themes. You just click the this arrow button, and then you just choose whichever you like from the drop down menu. And then if you want, you can just change the format. You can change the background by using the format background. You can use the solid fill, you can use the gradient fill, you can use the picture or texture fill, you can use the pattern fill, whichever you like. You can just choose from the format background. If you want to resize your slide, you can just choose from the drop down menu to standard or widescreen. And that's how you create a design. If you want to insert a picture in your PowerPoint presentation, then you just hit the Insert Picture button, and you can just choose from your Windows, from your computer, and you can just do Insert. Or you can just go online picture to search online in the Bing or in a Google, whatever you want to choose. And you just search the name of the picture, and you just click enter, and you will be able to insert the picture you like. If you want to insert a shape, then you just go Insert Shape and just choose the shape you want, and just drag it and drop it. And then you can just you can just color it, you can add a picture, you can just use the drop down menu, and then you can just choose whichever font you like, and that's it. If you want to insert a chart, then you just go insert chart, and that way you can show whatever you want to show for your history class or for your math class, using the column, the line, the pie, whichever you like. If you want to insert a smart art, then you can just click the insert smart art, and just choose from the options you are given, like list, process, cycle. You just click the one you want and just drag it and drop it, and just say okay. If you want to add a transition in your PowerPoint, and if you want to like show a picture or show a comment, you want it like spatial effects, then you can just click transition, and you just click whichever you want to choose from, like wipe, split, curtains, wind, whichever choose, and that's it. It will create a transition for you. You can even change the time of the transition by using the transition duration, and just change it to one, whichever you like to change it to. If you want to add a sound to it, you just do sound, and then choose the sound you like. And if you like to apply to all of the slides, then you can just do apply to all. And now if you want to preview it, then you can just do a preview, and that's it. If you want to delete it, then just right click and delete. To add an animation and make it more cooler, then you just click animation, and just click from the drop down menu whichever animation you would like, and just drop it, add it, and there you go. For this also, you can choose the duration you want. If you want to like, you can choose that to start, if you want to like do it from click, or you want it from previous, or you want it from after previous. If you want to delete it, just click the one button and just delete. Okay, now in PowerPoint, there's 6 way of seeing a PowerPoint presentation. One is normal, one is slide sorter, one is the reading view, and then the last one is slideshow. So that way you can just show it to them, present it to them. If you want to insert a text box, and I know there's option to, there's already a text box in the slide, but if you want, you can just go insert, and just you click the insert, and you just click the text box, and you just drag it and drop it. There you go. And so there you have it, text box. You can change the text box layout by using the options right here, and you can just change the font, you can just change the size, you can color it, you can do what you want for that text box. And if you want to delete it, you can just do right click and delete, and or cut. There you go. If you want to create a video, then you can just click the media, and you can just do insert media video, and then you can just do it from online. You can do it from your PC, or you can do online video by going to YouTube. Online video is like YouTube or Google, or wherever you can get the online video from. If you want to add the audio, you can just do insert media audio from your PC, or you can record your own audio. If you want to create a header and footer, then you can just do insert header footer slide. You can change the date or time, you can do slide number, you can do footer. So footer will create a footer on the bottom of your slide. You just hit the footer and write whatever you want to write, and just to apply to all, or just apply to one of the slide you want, whichever you like to do. And that's all I can teach you from the PowerPoint slide, from the PowerPoint. So you got to know how to insert picture. You know how to insert a shape, smart art, chart. You also know how to add a text box and how you can add a media. You can also insert the symbol format. You know how now you got to know how to design your slide. And you also know how to do a transition, but animations. You even know how to insert picture by using these shortcuts, like just click the pictures and you can just add pictures. You can just insert video, and that's all I have to teach you. I have to teach for presentation.